If you need to reset your Yahoo Mail password, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. This process will guide you through the necessary actions to create a new password. Step 1. Go to the Yahoo Sign-In Helper. Visit the Yahoo Sign-In Helper page by entering the URL in your web browser. This tool will assist you in recovering your account by verifying your identity. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the Yahoo Mail email address you want to reset the password for. After entering your email, click on Continue to proceed to the next step. Step 3. Choose a recovery option. Select a recovery method from the options provided, such as receiving a verification code via SMS or email. Choose the option that works best for you and click Send Code. Step 4. Verify your identity. Check your phone or email for the verification code sent by Yahoo. Enter the code in the designated field on the website and click Verify to confirm your identity. Step 5. Create a new password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before, enter it, and confirm it to complete the reset process. Now you can log into your Yahoo Mail account with your new password. Remember to keep your password secure and consider enabling two-step verification for added security.